One of the first things that we will introduce you to when you come to Baja is how to pack your gear. Today we'll give you a glimpse on how we suggest you pack your gear with a special emphasis on your day bag, which is the bag that will be handy whenever you need it. We'll provide you a set of 3 dry bags. All of them will be labeled with the same name so that there is no confusion between dry bags and guests. 2 of the dry bags are larger 20-liter bags, which will contain your overnight gear that you don't need while kayaking or during the day. And the 10-liter bag, which is this one, will contain your personal items that go with you and are handy in the kayak. This is an example of one of our double kayaks that we use on our multi-day kayaking trips. It has 2 cockpits and 3 hatches for storage. Typically in the rear and the middle hatch, we store your 20-liter personal overnight gear bags along with your sleeping bag, and in the front hatch, we store the sleeping pad and shoes. Your day bag, where does it go? We store it usually between your legs in the cockpit while kayaking, or you can also secure it between the bungees along with your water bottle. Here are some things that you might want to pack in your day bag. A layer for extra warmth, a thin rain jacket, sunscreen, lip balm, prescription medicine, your camera or your phone if you're using that to take pictures, and a small snack. Closing your dry bag is really easy. You push down to squeeze out the excess air and then roll 2 or 3 times and clip the buckle. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to have you on a trip here in Baja.